Welcome to English Quizler, where we make learning English fun and exciting. Are you ready for the Parts of Speech Quiz Challenge? Test your grammar skills with 40 quick-fire questions and see if you're a true grammar master. Before starting, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. What is the part of speech of beautiful? It's an adjective. How would you classify the word quickly? The answer is adverb. Is happiness a noun or a verb? It's a noun. What type of word is run? The correct answer is verb. Is brave a noun or an adjective? It's an adjective. Can you guess the part of speech of silently? It's an adverb. What part of speech is friend? The answer is noun. What is the part of speech of right? It's a verb. Is dangerous an adverb or an adjective? It's an adjective. How would you classify carefully? The correct answer is adverb. What type of word is teacher? It's a noun. Is it a verb or a noun? It's a verb. What part of speech is intelligent? The answer is adjective. How would you classify happily? It's an adverb. What is the part of speech of computer? It's a noun. Can you guess the part of speech of dance? It's a verb. Is honest a verb or an adjective? The answer is adjective. What type of word is loudly? It's an adverb. Is water a noun or an adverb? It's a noun. How would you classify jump? correct answer is verb. What is the part of speech of weak? It's an adjective. Can you guess the part of speech of slowly? It's an adverb. What type of word is dog? It's a noun. Is sing a verb or an adjective? It's a verb. What part of speech is kind? The correct answer is adjective. How would you classify neatly? It's an adverb. What type of word is money? It's a noun. What is the part of speech of paint? It's a verb. Is lazy an adverb or an adjective? It's an adjective. What part of speech is quick? The answer is adjective. Can you guess the part of speech of ball? It's a noun. How would you classify swim? The correct answer is verb. What type of word is happy? It's an adjective. What is the part of speech of gently? It's an adverb. Is village a noun or a verb? It's a noun. What part of speech is draw? The correct answer is verb. How would you classify angry? It's an adjective. Can you guess the part of speech of easily? It's an adverb. What type of word is bottle? The answer is noun. What part of speech is climb? The correct answer is verb. Time's up. How did you do? Did you smash all 40 questions, or did a few trip you up? Drop your score in the comments and let us know. And if you enjoyed this quiz, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a challenge from English Quizler. Fun quizzes, better English. See you in the next video. Happy quizzing!